today in this video, as you can see, I'm not in my workshop. I'm in my kitchen. And the reason is because the project I'm going to be doing for you guys today, I would not need any of that kind of equipment. So today in this video, I'm going to be making some Wolverine claws because since it's Halloween at the time of recording this video, so I'm going to make some Wolverine claws for you today. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to need paper, because we're going to make these claws out of paper, some tape, and scissors. What I'm doing is just repeating what I have done here 3 times. So I'm going to make the blade and then this, which I'll tell you what is later. Okay guys, so here we are. I have just done the second one, and yeah, this is the end result. So these are the Wolverine claws. I really hope you guys like them. So I thought this would be something kind of cool to make since it's Halloween. So as you can see here, this is what I hold on to. So I just grip these And boom, Wolverine claws. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comments below. Also guys, if you could share the video with your friends, I would really appreciate that. And also like and subscribe if you haven't already for more content like this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.